Before we get into our first module and teaching you how to actually start some of this home food preservation, we need to talk about what exactly home food preservation is. And you might be saying, well, Kaitlyn, we've already gone through that, but not exactly. I want to talk about a little bit of the science of the different methods. Like, what are we actually doing scientifically to preserve the food, where we're not using a bunch of chemicals and we're not using huge processes to do this? What are we doing? And essentially we're controlling the rot of the food. Now that might sound gross, but that's what we're doing. And we can use a number of different methods to do that. We could be pulling out moisture with different methods. We could be using salt. We could be using acid or heat or lack of oxygen or cold. What we're trying to do is create an environment where bad bacteria cannot thrive. And in some cases where good bacteria will thrive. Through these methods, and I'm gonna list some for you here in a second, we're just trying to create that environment, right? We're trying to make the food shelf stable so that our food lasts longer. And those types of food preservation typically done at home include freezing and refrigeration, fermentation, canning, dehydration or air drying, pressure canning, so there's water bath canning and pressure canning, freeze drying. So as we jump into these modules, the methods that we'll be using are fermentation, dehydration, water bath canning, pressure canning, and talking a little bit about freezing and refrigeration.